I was talking about technology that has improved. What we can do now, what we are able to do now, instead of waiting for the swarming season in November, I mean August, September, to say a good December when it's hot. What we do now is, when we are harvesting, the entrance is that side. We start looking at this hive from there. We count about 7 top bars, and then we start inspecting. We can harvest the bars that don't have brood. When we get to the brood, we can take, say 7 of our bars have brood. We can take half, which is 3, and put in an empty hive. And then take some of the bees from here and just then put them in the empty hive and close up. The bees will start settling in there. They will realize there's no queen and they'll make the queen. So that's faster than to wait for them to come and inspect and then find. So you can, in actual fact, you can now bring your hive, and we can, when we're harvesting, we can take brood from here and put in your hive and charge you, and you now have your own hive. You can go and develop it. So that's a quicker way of doing it. Which, in other words, of the 12 hives we have here, if I had enough money, I can double them to 24 at the next time. Come out here and then fly away. Or when they are coming to land, they want to land here and then walk in. You can't, if you don't have this, they have a problem. They can't go in flying. So they must land here and walk in. When they are coming out, they must walk out and then fly away. And this is deliberately small so that no other invaders can go in apart from these. And this, what is recommended is to take wax and just pour your wax. You can pour it in now. Just in the middle of that, you are directing the bees on where to build. Once you have done it on this one, the rest they'll do on their own. They'll go and mark right on in the center, and they'll have it will have honey both sides, this side and this side. So once they've built there, you'll have honey this side and you'll have honey this side. When we are harvesting, we leave 3 centimeters of the comb here with honey, so that they can also survive. We don't remove everything. We leave 3 centimeters.